And game number 5 on our game number 6 na pala. Tommy, wala. Rebound. Offensive rebound. Team to Bon.
Partner, interesting tong laban.
Bon goes all the way! Wala! Science!
Interesting ang laban na to, partner.
Ikaw.
Hindi mo namamalayan.
Ayan, grabe, dinig na dinig.
Nagpa...
Dito sa gilid. Mark E. Mark E. Aba naman. Pinasa kay Pao. Short. Rebound. Chong.
Partner,
Chong offensive rebound.
partner, interesting ang laban na to dahil ito yung trade game.
Ay, ito yung nagka-tradean eh. Oh, yes, partner. Tommy, pinasa kay Kim. Balik ni Tommy! Oy! Yun lamang.
Malalaman natin after ng game na to kung sinong nanalo sa trade.
Dito yung madedetermine partner. Dahil Chong, Chong, to Mark E. Mark E, with the yo-yo pass, to Pao. Pao to Mark E, balik ni Mark E, wala. Rebound mo kay Manuel. Manuel, tosses the ball. Sakto-sakto kay Wait. Wait!
Kitang-kita mo yung bantayan ng Chong at Von. Talagang meron silang...
Yes, exactly partner. Dito natin makikita kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari. Meron nga ba talagang locker room issues? 10 seconds to shoot. Jao! Ako, nanlamig si Sir. 5 seconds set clock, hindi tumama sa ring yun. Ayun! Sinigurado na.
Ang beef pala nila is something like Draymond Green and Jordan Poole.
Na-TMC yata eh, kaya kinailangan umalis talaga ng isa. 10 seconds to shoot. Tommy, uy, ba't nalibre yun? Wala. Ako ni Kim. Kim, inagawan niyo. Bolang-bola. Inagawan niyo mga kita. Hindi mo nakita yung sayang. Ay! Naku po, hindi na kayo.
Baba!
Sige, gumagalaw yung game clock. Yung shot clock lang yung nire-reset ko. Kim, easy 2 points? Wala. Kasi mo rin. To Tommy goes mid. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni. Chong pa rin. It's a 4-on-2. Chong goes all the way. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Jao. Jao pa din. Uy, umalupa. Rebound. Nakuha ni Pao. Pao goes middle. To Mark E. Mark E with a serve.
Star player! Grabe, may hesi na. Meron pang double dip.
Manuel, negative step. 9 seconds, 8, 7, 6. Uy, ay, gusto niya sarili niya rebound. Ayaw pa rin. Dalawang offensive rebound. Chong pa rin. Chong! Passes to Jao. Oy! White ball. Reset to 14, pagka-inbound. Ang score ay 4-2. Grabe ditong larong to, Kap. O, Kap, call the game.
Sabi ni Chong kay Jao, libre ka dun, pre!
Foul na. Reset to 40. Ayan, Kap, pwede mag-focus sa oras. Okay.
Jao! 2 points. No. Ay, pero ganda. Grabe naman.
Offensive rebound, Roel.
Grabe naman yung core ni Ruel.
Okay. Nagpa-flash yan.
Parang Michael Jackson. Good
Ay, wala pa rin. Ano nangyari? Oh, teka. Officials time out.
Crossover.
Okay. Ten seconds to shoot.
Uy,
7, 6, 5.
everything.
Hindi na ako nagsasalita. Ball. Grabe yun. Oh, grabe rin yung depensa na yun. Ni Mark E.
Hindi nyo na may tatanong si Marky, nakabantay niya si Wemby not so long ago.
To Pao. Pao goes middle. Wala. Nakikray ang bola. Oh, ano nangyari? Ball down.
Foul.
Reset tayo sa 24.
Reach in foul by Trey.
Wala rebound. Na-foul down.
Low
10 minutes
scoring
remaining.
ballgame.
Okay, matakbo oras nyo ha. Shot clock lang din reset dito. Pau again. Pau with a fake. Ganda ng fake. Sayang. Rowell with a rebound. Rowell. Rowell pa rin. Ay, naagawan. Naagawan si Rowell. Tom, he goes for the three. Bang!
Grabe yun, parang layup, pre.
Assist by Clay. Ay, wala daw assist. Wala daw.
Silaw.
Walang assist daw, walang assist. Ano ba? Wala ba assist? Ay, huwag na kami lukoy. Rebound and assist daw. Steal and assist. Steal and assist. Gumagalaw ang oras. Tommy pa rin. Tommy baseline. Uy, tawag mo doon. Pinikling sa gilid. Naku!
Unselfish play by Knicks.
Unselfish. Hindi ka maka na rin ha. 8 seconds. 7, 6. Rebound, ako ni Jao. Jao. Jao, stop and shop. Wala.
Kaya! Dapat gumana.
Shot clock. 60 seconds.
Dalawang point guard pala yung binigay dito kay Knicks para ano.
Yes sir, oo. Para hindi na siya magreklamo, no? Game with the 2 points. Assist na naman po. Si Cray. Sino pa yung isa? Nagtatanong. Nagtatanong, oh.
Hindi center ka eh.
Kasi center ka na ngayon. Inangat ka. 10 seconds to shoot. Mark E. Binigay yung tres. Nagkamali kayo ng iniwan libre.
Don't forget about me, sabi ni Mark.
Put some respect in my fucking name. Chelo.
Marky and Tommy.
Si Joe na si Joe.
Ay!
Bon, babae. Wala. Miss. Nakuha ni Chong. Chong. Last note, sir.
Medyo napadami ang bicep curl si Chong
Oo,
this
napakami.
morning.
7. Mid. Oy, grabe. Bumawi sa steal. Galing naman nun. Bumawi sa steal.
Apat kayo!
Foul to Chong. 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 Yeah. Assist by Pao.
From defense to offense.
From defense to offense, yes. Yes. Good call, partner. 9-7.
Three, all the way. Natapikan.
Shot clock. 9.
Dazzle by Kim Delis.
8.
Chong, this is your chance. Not again. Okay, he made it. He
Jao
made it
assist.
this time.
Jao assist. Chong 2 points.
Baka kasi nagpatrade si Jao. Tommy, no hesitation.
Ruel rebound. Ruel rebound.
Marky, another three. Oh, ay! Good.
Black ball.
Daming dadasal doon, partner. Ang dami nag-aamin.
Shot clock. 12 seconds. 10. 9. 8.
Tommy for three. Too strong this.
Manuel with the offensive rebound.
Another one.
Tommy, another try. Wala. Rebound. Open the play.
Grabe naman rebound yun.
Grabe sila. On goes left.
Bon
pa
versus
rin.
Chong.
7 seconds to shoot. 6, 5, 4. Ayan na. Oh, with the rebound. To Chong. Chong. Malakas. Rebound. Trey.
Foul.
To Kim. Ayun. Assist ni Kim. 2 points. Bon.
Si Von at si Chong po, dati silang business partners ng isang chicken restaurant. Bon, Chong.
Gago. Shot clock. 10 seconds.
Jao for two.
Rowell, offensive rebound.
Step back.
Jao. 10 seconds to shoot.
Jao doing it all.
White ball pa rin. White ball. And then, kasi ako nagkaganyan. Still, hindi ko nakita kung sino. Still, hindi ko nakita. Tommy Tubon. Tommy Tubon. Tommy Tubon. Still.
Uy, tabla. That,
At sa mga di pa nakakaalam, may ano na rin tayo. We're trying our best to track defensive stats na din. Shot clock, 12 seconds.
crossover move.
Right.
Oh! Sorry, miss. Pero foul ang tinawag to Kim. What a move by Pau. Alleger.
Low flyer. Pau to Chong. Wala. Roel goes up. And he's fouled.
Laksamiban ni Ruel.
Line up na sa kapawis.
Saan kami sa mga
Kaya nga eh.
13 seconds to shoot. Naku, napalakas. Yan lang.
From one biceps to another.
Yes. Correct.
Stop.
The bicep pass.
The bicep pass. Okay, yung white team bet, puro na lang bicep.
Tommy for 3. Yes!
I don't need biceps for that, sabi ni Tommy.
Taas kamay. Simigs down.
And suddenly,
Sa 3-point game. Babawi sila. Marky with a pump fake. Marky. Oh, nice pass, Marky! Chong pa rin.
down for three!
Marky.
Rebound! Pinagay kay Ruel hesitates.
10 seconds to shoot.
Jow, quick trigger!
Shot ulit. Kinakapos na.
And fatigue is setting in. Ladies and gentlemen.
Tommy! Naku! Fatigue is kicking in, partner. Both teams, no?
Go teams.
Both teams. Eto na. Sige nga, sinurbol niya. Wala pa rin. Marky pa rin. The hustle, the heart.
Rebound of the game. Sabi ni Kim, settle down. Pero ang totoo, they're casting
They're cast. They're both cast.
They're both cast.
Ball.
for me! Rustrom!
Trey with a tip.
Uh-oh, Tommy's in the corner.
To Marky. Marky settles for the mid range. Ako, nakanakas.
Okay lang yan, Mark.
2 minutes and 25 seconds. Shot clock 40. Strong rebound. Pau to Jao. Jao to Marky. Marky, wala. Rebound. Parang play by play. Play by play na lang. Gagawin ko na lang. Nag-ubos na sila ng oras, mga kaibigan. 10 seconds to shoot. 7, 6. Ayan, still. To Pau. Pau. It didn't go all the way. Will this be oops? Ako po. Stepping yun. Yun. Pau pa rin. Pau pa rin. Pinaul na. 1 minute and 26 seconds.
Sarado ang ring.
Bumara. May kantado sila. Still.
Unforced errors from
Force
the white
din
team.
ano. Tama. 16 seconds to shoot. Ay, ano na lang. Sorry. 12 na lang.
Boom! Boom! Mix pala. Sorry.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, it's that kind of night. It's been that kind of night. Roel, wala pa rin. Daki Knicks, gagamit ng oras.
Boom! May hawak ng... Mix, may hawak ng bola.
Boom. Eight seconds to shoot. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuloy yan, tuloy. Tuloy yan. Chow with the free. And that's been the story. That's the game. So we're just we're just milking the clock. Oras sa tunay na buhay, alas 9. Tommy, player of the game, ready?